My name is Joshua Ulmer. I'm the CEO of EMI. EMI manufactures high-precision and complex parts manufactured by CNC. We are working for the high-tech, medical and aerospace industries. We are working mainly with 4 and 5 axis CNC milling and mill turn machines. We are mainly manufacturing small to medium sized batches of tens to thousands of parts per batch. We are supplying our customers all around the world high quality parts. Like most of the industries that become more and more sophisticated each day, we are also challenged by the professional manpower shortage. Manpower shortage combined with the need to increase productivity made us realize that we need to make a shift. Our skilled workers need to be released from simple repetitive tasks which can be done by cobots. Our partnership with A-Cubes and Universal Robots enabled us to overcome this challenge.
I'm Uzi Raveh, the COO of EMI Integrated Systems. A-Cube tending solution allow an easy and intuitive way for the worker to operate the tending process. The user interface is friendly, simple and intuitive and allows the worker to perform its setup in a very short time. No programming or previous automation knowledge is needed for the A-Cube's plug-and-play solution. The A-Cube tending solution addresses the main significant challenges in the manufacturing industry. A-Cube tending solution deoccupies the workers and allows them to focus on tasks where their professional skills are needed. The Universal Robots advantages enable us to realize our vision of automation. Supad, the local distributor, has been most responsive to our needs, and whenever we need them, we pick up the phone and they are there. Since we started using A-Cube's automation solutions, we stopped seeing dead times in our efficiency charts, and our overall efficiency has significantly increased. Imagine coming to the factory after a weekend and finding your machines ran smoothly throughout the weekend, producing flawless parts. That is our reality today. Since we embedded this solution in our machining process, we've added to our capacity hundreds of production hours every year. Operation-wise, we are able to bring more products in a shorter time to our customers with the same manpower and machine resources as before. I know the cobot will show up to its shift every single time, which enables me to commit to my customers with a higher level of confidence regarding the delivery times.
We were very surprised with the short return on investment on the project of the automation. From our experience, we are talking about 12 to 18 months, which is a very short period. Our vision for EMI is to continue to automate all of our manufacturing processes in order to provide our customers the best service.